is to end the hostility that this administration has toward oil and gas production in this country. They have adopted this agenda called the ESG agenda, Environmental, Social, and Governance agenda, which is designed to limit or prevent production or investment in production in certain areas of our economy, namely oil and gas. And we would also argue in farm country, agriculture, farms and ranches. And what I'm going to do later this week is I'm going to be asking the administration, before they implement any of these policies, to look at the impact that these ESG policies are going to have on the cost of food and energy in this country. I think the American people deserve to know how much these policies coming out of this administration are impacting the cost of everything that they buy on a daily basis. That kind of analysis, to me, makes a lot of sense.
Hello, my friends. Friends, I have good news to share with you this Monday. Millions of Americans have a new chance at receiving a fourth stimulus check. Eligible recipients have just 2 weeks left to claim direct payments. And these checks range from $100 to almost $2,000. President Biden and his administration have also released a new plan to tackle homelessness. My friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn more about the details. Also, I will be giving away a $50 Walmart gift card every day this month. If you would like to enter these giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. Millions of Americans that meet eligibility requirements have just 2 weeks left to claim new financial assistance. Several states have been providing inflation relief in the form of tax rebates or direct payments. The money stands as one-time payments meant to help families who are looking to make ends meet or just provide an extra boost in cash flow. There are different qualifications depending on where you reside. Over in the state of Hawaii, a one-time refund will be provided to each qualifying resident taxpayer who files an individual income tax return for the 2021 tax year on or before December 31st, 2022. In order to qualify, you must have been a resident of the state of Hawaii for at least 9 months. Single taxpayers that have an adjusted gross income of less than $100,000 will get $300 per person. Couples earning less than $200,000 will also receive $300 per person in their household. That means a family of 4 may receive up to $1,200. Residents of the state of Idaho also have until December 31st, 2022 to apply for a rebate between $300 and $600. Idaho Governor Brad Little approved the $500 million in tax refunds for residents back in September of this year. In September, Idaho Governor Brad Little approved the $500 million in tax refunds for residents. Individual taxpayers can expect to see payments of $300. Then joint filers will see $600 checks. Non-residents and part-time residents of the state will not be eligible. Then residents in the state of Pennsylvania have until January 1st, 2023 to apply for the state's property tax rebate program. The maximum standard rebate is $650, but some homeowners may qualify for supplemental rebates of up to $975. Renters and homeowners who make $8,000 or less may see a $650 rebate. Additionally, the state also announced that everyone who claimed a rebate will also receive an additional check worth 70% of the initial refund amount. So dear friends, please let me know in the comment section below if you live in one of these states. Friends, the key word for this video today is plum pudding. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is plum pudding, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Today, President Biden's administration announced that it's ramping up efforts to help house people that are sleeping on sidewalks, cars, and in tents. As a new federal report confirms that homelessness in our country is persistent, the United States Department of Housing and Urban Development said that in federally required tallies taken across the country earlier this year, about 582,000 Americans were counted as homeless, a number that misses some people and does not include those staying with friends or family because they do not have a place of their own. The figure was nearly the same as it was in a survey conducted in early 2020, just before the crisis hit the nation very hard. It was up by about 2,000 people, an increase of less than 1%. The Biden administration aims to lower that by 25% by the year 2025. Biden has recently said in a statement, "My plan offers a roadmap for not only getting people into housing, but also ensuring that they have access to the support, services, and income that allow them to thrive." The 2022 All-In Strategy Roadmap, made public today, follows a 2010 effort called Opening Doors, which was the nation's first comprehensive strategy seeking to prevent and end homelessness. Anne Olivia, the CEO of the National Alliance to End Homelessness, said that the federal government can influence local action with financial incentives, streamlined processes, and strong policies. The federal plan highlights disparities that have led to homelessness. It seeks to expand the supply of affordable housing and improve on ways to prevent people from becoming homeless in the first place. Potential steps include a campaign to encourage more landlords to accept government housing vouchers and encourage local governments to build more apartment complexes that are affordable for working families. The Biden administration also announced a program to have federal agencies work with local officials to reduce unsheltered homelessness in select cities that have not yet been named. The crisis brought massive job losses, particularly for low-income individuals, and higher rents. It has also spurred an eviction moratorium and temporary federal aid, including tax credits for families that help them stay in their homes. Analysts have found homelessness had declined among veterans, families, children, and young adults, but more people were staying in places not intended for habitation, rather than shelters, and more had been homeless for more than 1 year. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts about the homelessness problem here in the United States? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and dearest friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Monday. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here and watching all the new videos I posted. Friends, remember, I'll be announcing a new winner every day, so make sure you enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Rebecca Millward. Congratulations, my dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message, or you can message me on my Facebook page. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed week.